Quikify sales pop-up and proof Shopify app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the Quikify app or integration into your Shopify store, and also you are going to get a lot of benefits within this app because it will give you some social proof, and also you can create from this app some pop-ups that will attract the customers, collect some information, for example, email addresses or phone numbers, and also a lot for your future ad campaigns. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. So we need only to head over the dashboard of our Shopify store by signing in into our account. Then we're going to click on the search bar at the top and type in quick like this, Quikify. So now we are going to click on search Quikify in Shopify App Store, and then we are going to see all the results. Here for the app, it is going to be here. We have some multiple form of the app. We have a lot of options within the app. We have the Quikify sales pop-up and proof, sticky ad to cart and contact form, and etc. We only need the sales pop-up and proof. Remember that. We are going to click on it. Then we are going to click on install. This is my favorite app because it has a free plan available, and also it is built for Shopify. That means that it will meet the Shopify highest quality standard for speed, management, and the value. So we are going to authorize the installation by clicking again on install. Now we are going to see the app pop in right here. All we need to do is to uh, here pin it to our navigation. Once that is done, we are going to continuously click on the app and place it to the top, so we are not going to lose the sight of it. So the first thing that we need to do here is to enable the app. So here we have a simple guide on how we can do that. We're going to click on the enable theme app extension. Then we are going to see here the Shopify theme editor opened. Once you are here, you're going simply to see the app embeds. We have here the sale kit. We're going to click on save. Boom, here we have it. Now we are going to see, I think that it has, or it is working. No, this is not, this is for Klaviyo. So we are going to configure it before it will work. So once you have did that, we're going back here. It will read or detect that it has been enabled. Now we can go ahead and create our first campaign or skip directly to the menu. So we are going to click on create campaign, and here we have the campaign menu. We have sales pop, which is going to show the recently bought orders to build trust and FOMO, fear of missing out. This is it. And we have the visitor count, the sold count. Here we have the card countdown, promotion bar, and some pop-up. So right here, I am going simply to create a sales pop like that. Then we are going to start designing it. As you can see here, it is going to be situated here at the corner or the left corner down of the section or the screen. We have the first thing, the data, the setting, and the styles. We're going to configure the data. The import orders, you're going to import it here automatic from the Shopify order, or you can create your own order list right here. So you're going to create your own list because we don't have much orders here. As you can see, we have the location list. For example, we are going to add some cities: Paris, FR. Let's say here maybe New York, USA. I'm going to put USA. For example, we are going to put here Liverpool, which is from UK again, and it will switch up the location. Here we have the customer names. So we are going to put here maybe Pedro. We're going to put, for example, Smith, Mike, Jack, and etc. For the product list, you are going to select the product that will show this type of pop. So we are going to select here multiple products or maybe all the products. So we are going to select here the products that we have. So it is selected or to be right there from this one. Also that one. Boom. Here we have 8 products selected. Now for the time list, it is going to be like this. You can show the product rating if you have some reviews or rating on it. Now let's go to the settings. You're going to see the message and configure it. We don't need to touch the message from here because here, as you can see, keep customer location and product to populate relate data. You can modify here from or bought. For example, you can go ahead and put also bought. I don't know, but here the number of pop-up per page. You're going to put it here, for example, 10 to 15. You have the maximum of 20. You can set a random delay between the pop-ups, and this is something that you need to do. So this is it. And here we have the position. You can go ahead and control it to the bottom right, bottom left, top right. We're going to put it here to the bottom left because this is the most explored region right here. So you can hide on mobile. I highly don't recommend that. Set different position on mobile. This is probably something good to do. We have some extra options to show close button. This is very good for not disturbing the customers during their exploration of the website. You can hide time on pop-up, not here. You can quick also or enable the quick view. Now for the styles, you can go ahead and modify the style of it. You have multiple styles right here. It's choose the one that will go well with the colors of your template. So maybe you are going to do that or use this. So we have here also the styling. You can hide the watermark. Now we have the shape of the pop right there. You can go ahead and put it square, rounded, circle right here. You can also customize the background color, the text color, and the product link color as much as you want. And also here, make sure and focus on getting a very good pop that will go well into your Shopify store theme because this is something that is going to be aesthetic. So when you finish that, you are going simply to click on save, and here we have enabled the app. Now here, once added the app, we have here the Quikify sales pop-up app. We're going to see that we have the campaign, which is the sales pop. It is created. If you want to create another campaign, you're going to click on create new campaign and choose the type of the campaign that you want. Here we have the app recommendation. Also, the Quikify has a lot of apps, not only one, and these apps could be util and very useful for you. So don't forget to take a look of for their different apps to be up to date. For the campaigns here, you are going to see that we have the those campaigns. The pop-up also is very here necessary to do because it is going to be inciting the clients once they have entered the website to not go away from this for the presentation of special offers, discount codes, and etc. For the promotion bar, you are going to put here a promotion bar at the top like this, but it is kind of a announcement bar that will give your customer an option to read some promotion going on, some discounts going on, and etc. Or also some events if you want to call it. And it will boost if it is chosen right within the keywords and also the products. It will boost your sales and promote your products. Here we have the analytics. but this feature is going to be limited right here because we are not going to get it until we upgrade our plan. We have the subscribers. That is in case that you have set up a pop-up that you are going to collect some newsletter emails from them. Here we have the translation. It is going to be here translating all the messages or the pop-ups that you have. And finally, we have the pricing, which is right here going to be with only three options. We have the free one, we have the Shopify Basic, and also this is the premium and this is the standard one. You can pay it monthly or annually. It depends on your budget. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.